Hi lovelies, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this video, I'll be showing you how to make royal icing, which you can use for your stencil. You can also use to decorate your cake. First, I'll be cracking 2 eggs. What I need for this royal icing is just the egg white. I don't need the egg yolk, so I try my best to take out the egg yolk. I'll be using 2 eggs for this. So I'll just take out the egg yolk and I'll also only be using the egg white. Please, if you don't have a spatula, if you don't have hand mixer, do well to use this whisk. It will do better than even using your spatula. I'll mix this till it become foamy. You need to whisk this for some time till it becomes a bit foamy. If it's not foamy, I'm not sure you've mixed it well enough. If you're using an electric mixer, the job will be done faster. It will also be easier. Since it's not available, I'll be using what I have, which is this very one. Then I'll go in with my icing sugar. So there's no particular measurement for this, because I might say you should use this particular measurement for the icing sugar, but then your egg white might have more liquid in it than mine. So what you just do when you add your icing sugar and it's not enough, do well to add more. As you can see, it's not enough. When you whisk, you add enough, but make sure you don't add excess, so you don't have leftover of the royal icing, or you don't have too much, which you end up wasting. So you just keep on adding your icing sugar till you get the thickness you need, so you get that particular thickness you need to make your cake or to use for your stencil. So that's all. Just keep on mixing it. Like I said, if you're using a mixer, an electric mixer, any of them, if it's hand mixer or a standby mixer, it will give you a better result. Just continue mixing it. But if you're using a spatula or the toner you do use for your cake, you might find it difficult to get the particular texture you need. So just mix, and this is what we are having here. Once you're done, make sure it's a bit dripping, but it shouldn't be too watery. That's the right consistency. It should not be too watery, but it should be able to drip down. Let me know if you'll be trying out this method of making your royal icing. If you wish to add any flavor of your choice, do well to add. But if you're working with white, make sure the flavors you're adding will not change the color. So that's all for this video. Do well to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.